Hello guys, this is another KDF channel video, a very useful video. It's about the TPMS light, that small sign you have over there. For some people it's very annoying, for others they don't really care, but this helps you telling you that one tire it has a low pressure or you have a bad sensor. So the first step is we're gonna turn on the car, and you can tell that light's still there, it won't go off. So you could have two problems, like I said before. You could have a faulty sensor, or you can have a low pressure on one of your tire or all the tires. It depends on the situation. On this particular case, this is a 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This is the basic version. It's the 4-cylinder, and the customer wanted me to erase all the lights on the dash, so I'll be clearing all the codes. I'll be using this scanner. It's very useful. I recommend you to buy one just in case you wanna fix some of your cars. The TPMS light using this tool is much easier. This is a Maxi TPMS TS50508. I bought it on eBay a couple of years ago when they were really expensive, but now I know they're $100 or something. So the first step you have to do is you gotta check the information on each sensor. What I did here before was that all sensors were bad. These are the old wheels right here, and you can tell they have the TPMS here. So I come here and I got a Toyota Tacoma 2005-2009 and scan single sensor. So we go here, we press the signal button, and we wait for the sensor to give us any signal. It should come right away, like within, I would say, 5 seconds. If not, then you don't have any signal coming from the sensor. Since all these wheels had bad sensors, I replaced all the sensors. Remember, Toyota Tacomas, they have 5 sensors. They have 1 sensor on the spare tire, so you have to keep an eye on the spare, because some people only change 4 sensors, but you gotta do all 5. So first of all, I'll start on the relearn mode, because that's the only way to erase the codes on the Tacoma. So Toyota Tacoma, and we go position relearn. OBD to relearn, yes. Now we'll start doing clockwise, activating all the sensors, and then we finish the protocol connecting the cable to the OBD2 connector. So I'll start with the first one. You can see now we got signal, and we got the pressure needed for this truck. So we go to the next one, second one, there you go, 33.4. Third one, 33.4. We go to the driver's side, okay, 33.4. Now we go to the spare underneath the truck. It's kind of difficult to get under here, but here it is. You can see the valve stem right there, and it was immediately, it took the signal too. Now the next step we go inside the truck, and obviously you don't have to turn on the truck. You gotta keep it on, only the switch on. Then you're gonna connect on the OBD2 connector right there. So there you go. And then you gotta tell the scanner that's already on connected, and you got the switch on the truck. So press continue, and it's gonna do the magic. Another thing very important is every time you check each sensor, you gotta check for voltage, gotta check for pressure and temperature. So for example, on the Toyotas, sometimes you could have signal but you have a low voltage, and I'm gonna show you that situation, because I got a lot of customer comes here that the light comes on and goes off every time they drive, and it's because the voltage on the sensor is low. So it gets I would say fall asleep and they wakes up again. Another problem I've seen is the sensor is good voltage, but the tire is 42 psi and the sensor is only showing like 10 psi, so that's a faulty sensor, and it's gonna cause your TPMS light to come on. I want to explain what I was telling you. Look at all these sensors I got here. These are for Toyotas, Camrys, Tacomas, and old cars. I would say between the 2005, 2004 to 2008. This is just I don't really remember the year, but I want to tell you what happens when the sensor gives you signal but the voltage is low. Well, this one is saying voltage okay. It's because maybe it got a little bit of battery by sitting here. But let me see another one. Okay, there you go. This is example I want to show you. This is you can see the code 0839294 is the same code we have here, and it's showing good pressure, it's showing good temperature, but the voltage is low. So what happened is I can use this one. In some cases I got customer coming here and they just want to fix the problem and sell the car. This is okay. But if a customer wants to keep the car, I've seen that within a month this dies completely because it has low voltage. So it start working, send this signal to the ECU, and the battery totally dies. And I would say that if you want to solve the problem, you buy a set of brand new things, brand new sensors on eBay, Amazon, whatever you want to buy it, and that's gonna fix the problem for a couple years. And this is the example I wanted to show you. So now, while the ECU is doing its job, you're gonna see the lights on the dash, they're gonna start flashing for a couple seconds, and like it's going on right now, and it's because the ECU is relearning and copying all the codes. Well, I would say all the values on the computer. You can see all the lights are flashing. It's kind of cool. But after a couple seconds, and they're gonna go off immediately, and it means that the system is ready. It's like it is right now. It has relearned the ECU, and you got the light off. So this is basically everything for today. I hope this helped you solving your TPMS problem. We're gonna shut down the truck, go on again, and you can see the light is gonna go off. There you go. So you're ready to go. If the light comes on again, remember, it could be low pressure or it could be a bad sensor. Remember to do the same pressure the trucks tells you, around, I would say 32, 35, but don't ever do more than 45 or 50, because sometimes the light comes on because you are the tires are overpressured, and when it's lower than, would say 25, 22, 20, the light's gonna come on again. So thank you guys for watching my videos. You know that if you want to see more Toyota content or any other car, please subscribe, because that helps me grow in my channel. So see you next time. Thank you.